Hello everyone.
My name is Masoud and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Technical University of Denmark. My passion lies at the intersection of material science, tissue engineering, and tackling the challenges of diabetes. In 2022, thanks to the support of the Eurotech Postdoc 2 program, my research on diabetic bones received funding. It was a breakthrough moment for me. Let's talk a bit about diabetes. Diabetes mellitus has always been considered one of the major causes of premature mortality worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the increasing number of people with diabetes is projected to be 700 million by 2045, rendering that as one of the largest public health challenges globally. But diabetes doesn't just affect blood sugar levels, it wreaks havoc on bone health too. Diabetes-related bone issues increase the risk of fractures up to 7-fold and slow down the healing process by 87%. In diabetes-driven complications, including diabetic bone, there's always a causal loop in action, in which every pathological factor extensively affects and pronounces the others. So here's the challenge. How do we disrupt this harmful cycle within diabetic bones? Traditional treatments fall short due to the complexity of the condition. That's where my research comes in. I'm developing a revolutionary bioactive agent further incorporated into a bioink tailored specifically for diabetic bones. Each component of this system has meticulously been designed to target key factors contributing to diabetic bone deterioration. The development of such a system is intricate and requires interdisciplinary expertise from fields such as chemistry, biology, biomedical engineering, and material science. In very simple terms, my initial task involves synthesizing and purifying the pharmaceutical compound, followed by thorough characterization and optimization to attain the most favorable reaction conditions possible. Extensive in vitro testing is then conducted to evaluate the system's efficacy. Meanwhile, a printable biocompatible hydrogel is developed to serve as a carrier for cells and bioactive agents. This requires optimization across various parameters like biocompatibility, mechanical properties, and printability. So far, our team has successfully developed a controlled release injectable and printable system that addresses oxidative stress, regulates hyperglycemia locally, and facilitates the migration, proliferation, and differentiation of stem cells in diabetic microenvironment. But it is just the beginning. Before any clinical trials, we have to evaluate our system in ex vivo and preclinical diabetic bone models. This part will be accomplished through a collaboration with Copenhagen University and Eindhoven University. It's an exciting journey, and I'm determined to make a difference in the lives of those affected with diabetic bone complications. With every experiment, we're one step closer to a breakthrough. Thanks for watching.